Right, sum and difference identities. So when you need to find the exact value of something like cosine 15, you're going to have to add and subtract in such a way so that you can find this answer. So for sine, if you have a plus b, then it's sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. Notice I put the negative here and that changes this to a negative. The same is true here. For cosine, if it's positive here, you're going to have a negative. If it's a negative here, you're going to have a positive. And here with tangent. These are important to have around to memorize, whatever. You don't necessarily need to memorize them, but they should be on some sheet of identities for you to use. So, back to my problem. I have cosine 15. That's the cosine 45 minus 30. That gives me the 15. So, cosine 45 minus 30, I now need to use the identity here where I'm going to do my two cosines. Since I have subtraction, they're going to add with the two sines. All right. So, this is going to be cosine 45 times cosine 30 plus sine 45 cosine sine 30. Okay, cosine 45 is square root 2 over 2. Cosine of 30. You should use your unit circle for this. I'm going to create a little one right here for me. Cosine of 30. So this will be square root 3 over 2 and then 1 over 2. Because my x is farther this way. Okay, so this is going to be square root 3 over 2 plus sine 45 is square root 2 over 2, and then sine 30 is 1 over 2. So I then get square root 2 times square root 3 is square root 6 over 4 plus square root 2 over 4. So I get square root 6 plus square root 2 over 4. And that is my answer.